Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing BBBY, BCAB, FUBO, SKYT, KIRK, APRN, VERU, SAVA, EAR, INND, BMXI, PJET, DSGT. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Wow, what a day in the markets. Just absolutely incredible. So many runners. We had a biotech stock today with Catalyst for our subscribers. That one gave double-digit returns today. Plenty of opportunities to make money. We will be following up later in the week on this one. We are saving the ticker symbol for our subscribers. If you would like the full report on this, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile number to get our full report on the #1 biotech penny stock with Catalyst. But right now, overall, just tremendous opportunities right now on the NASDAQ. We're focused mostly right on the NASDAQ because, guys, there's just it's easy to make money right now on the NASDAQ. OTC, shortage of runners, few and far between. We're not... Here at InsiderFinancial.com, our motto is keep it simple, stupid, the KISS system. Don't overcomplicate things. Stick to what's working. Right now, what's working is green, buy green, momentum plays, particularly short squeeze plays. I have this screen on FinViz, which is short squeeze plays, just looking at floats over 10%, optionable and shortable. And you look at in terms of the top gainers, I mean, these stocks all have over 10% of the float short and just running. BCAB, FUBO, SKYT, KIRK, Best Buy, all of these are running, and if you look at most of them, they opened at near the low of the day and just been powering higher all day. It was just an incredible day in the markets, plenty of opportunities, and congratulations to all who banked today. But first up is Bed Bath & Beyond. I mean, this is the one that really has been got everything started. I've been talking about this one for the past week on the channel. Congrats to those that have been following and went in on Best Buy. Bed Bath & Beyond. Ryan Cohen, the news today was that he's added to his position. He's got January 23 calls, which strike prices of between $60 to $80. If you look at the near term today, just the $30 calls that expire in 3 days, there was 112,000 options contracts traded. You go and you look at the chart today, and it was just incredible. Opened at 29 cents, ran all the way to $6.50. This is a 20x trading, in trading options. So, owning the stock, goosing your returns with options can really create tremendous opportunities. And, this is a typical gamma squeeze. So what happens is when you go and buy an options contract, that gives you the right to buy 100 shares of that particular stock. And when you're getting the stock moving like this, the market maker that sold you that option, they have to go into the market, hedge themselves, and buy the stock. So it was just an overall perfect storm today in Bed Bath & Beyond, and then it spread throughout the market. So all these short squeeze plays, started running. You got hedge funds, retail, do exactly like I do. They run screens looking for other names that are short squeeze plays, and then they pile in. So it was just, plenty of opportunities, and this is what we do here for our subscribers at insiderfinancial.com. Click that link in the description. We send free reports on stocks that we're looking at, these short squeeze plays. We do all the work for you so that you don't have to, but again, what we do is our full reports are the starting point for your due diligence, because we are not financial advisors. Next up, guys, here is BCAB. Guys, I've been talking about this one. You go here and just type in the magnifying glass BCAB. I've been talking about this one last week. Subscribers had an opportunity to get in at 672, closed here at near the high of the days at 1187. This is almost a double in 4 days. Congratulations to those that caught this move in BCAB. Next up, let's see, FUBO, FUBO, great day today. They had their Investor Day presentation. Analysts really liked what they heard. 30% of the float is short, typical short squeeze. Love the action here. Again, opened at 436. Dipped down 2 ticks to 432, and it was powering higher all day long. FUBO, great day there. Next up is SKYT. Got analyst upgrade today on the back of their earnings report. 23% of the float is short. Again, another one, been green all day, gave you plenty of opportunities. KIRK, Kirkland's specialty stores, they got 22% of the float short, and the short squeeze play. APRN, this one has been squeezing since $3. 41% of the float is short. And this one has just 9.9 million shares in the float. We had 32 million shares traded. So again, 3.5 times the float traded, in 1 day. We're already bidding higher in the after hours, over $6. Keep your eye on this one. Let's see here. We got the 200-day here, just about 547. We close above there. We close just under there today. This one's really going to squeeze. And if you look back, last December, this one was over $12. So we got plenty of opportunities here to run higher. I really think this one can really get going with 41% of the float is short. So guys, get this one on your radar screen if it isn't already. Next up is VERU, our biotech analyst, Chris Sandberg. He talked about this one last week. That was his top play when he talks about COVID therapeutics, VERU. Again, another move higher, new 52-week highs. Congrats to all who read Chris's article and caught this move here in VERU. Next up here is SAVA, news out after hours. Noted investor Sanford Robinson, he bought 100,000 shares, just over $2 million. Regulatory filings also revealed the CFO bought 2,500 shares at $19.95 a share. So again, they're coming in here and buying, at these levels. This is a major boost in confidence for the company, and that's why we're really expecting some fireworks on Wednesday in SAVA. Next up, guys, is two hearing aid companies, EAR and INND. INND has just been on a tear since July. You could have gotten in here at 0.005, and it's just been climbing up the chart, just been relentless bull. Congrats to all who caught the move in INND. This is one we missed. but we have it on our radar screen. I wouldn't be chasing it here. I would wait for a pullback. And they put out a PR today, you know, all talking about the FDA rules. So again, they're smart management, capitalizing on the news, and it really benefiting their shareholders. So great move here in INND. Next up, guys, is BMXI. I've been talking about this one for the past week. Great chart. We closed just above the 200-day moving average. This one here is still extremely undervalued. Again, you can go and just check out the coverage on our YouTube channel and see what we've had to say. We've been talking about this one, BMIX, for the past year, over and over again. This has been one that we really like, BMXI. Certainly get that on your radar screen if it already isn't. Next up is PJET. This is a reverse merger play, just a $1.4 million market cap. They put out news today that they're progressing and looking at strategic opportunities in terms of mergers and acquisitions. PJET indicates the recently engaged strategic investment decisions specifically include the potential funding of targeted merger and acquisition opportunities intended to accelerate PJET's growth. So look for further updates on the strategic investment decisions discussions coming soon. So plenty of catalysts. 00 play here, up 46% today. But if you look here, this one here ran all the way to almost 3 cents last year. So plenty of more room to run in PJET. Lastly, guys, is DSGT, closed up 50%. This is one I missed here at insiderfinancial.com. Should have covered it, should have bought it and sent out to subscribers. But, I'm guilty of what everyone else, faces. I'm human and prone to errors. I read a tweet talking about, this is a pig. It's going to come out and dilute. They'll don't buy into this move. And I paid attention to it, and I shouldn't have. So again, we're all guilty of that. Someone comes out with a bearish take. You read it and you say, yeah, he may be right. You listen to it and you miss out. C'est la vie, it is what it is, but I had a huge day today, caught these moves today in Bed Bath & Beyond, stock options. It was just a great day, really, really happy with the price action in the markets. For those of you that have been following my channel a long time, you can sense my mood. I tell you when, I'm hesitant, bearish, I'm telling you to keep cash, be cautious. Right now, this is not the time for caution. There are plenty of opportunities. They're all out there for you guys. It's time to take advantage of it while it's hot. We can get another bear market, anytime. So you got to strike while the iron is hot. And right now, it's extremely hot, specifically in these short squeeze plays. So I will be updating all of our subscribers each day with potential short squeeze plays. Click that link in the description. Make sure you sign up with your email and your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. It comes instantaneous to your mobile. You can click on the link, read our full report, start your due diligence, and decide if what we're saying is right for you or not, because we are not financial advisors. All right, guys, with that being said, congrats to all who banked today. Let's have a huge hump day. Let's crush the shorts again on Wednesday. And be tuning in here live after the bell for a new video, and subscribers be watching your inbox for new updates and new ideas and complete reports. All right, guys, have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.